odoo 14 bootcamp tutorial series. In this tutorial we'll discuss about reporting. So let's start. First of all, we have under reporting the inventory report. If I go here, all our product inventory report is here. Let's say at the last we have a test product. If I click here, warehouse stock, then it's give us the on hand our product stock. Total we have 118, and this 18 is available quantity, and here the value under which company this product is available. If you click here, warehouse stock, it's giving us the detail of a warehouse stock. It's give us the location, serial lot number, on hand quantity, available quantity, and the value of the product. I'm removing this all information, and if I enter here a specific product, let's say test, which we created, all report related or all entries related on this product. For example, warehouse, our entry related vendor adjustment scrap, it's appear here with on hand, available, and the value. So in next we have a forecasted inventory. This forecasted inventory, so loading, it's give us the forecast of our product. So if I remove here, make as a bar chart, here the bar chart is there. It's giving us a forecast for our every product by quantity wise. And if I go to my here, go to count, and again if I go to line chart, it's give us a all product forecasted inventory. And simply you can set the forecast like a prediction, something like that. So it's a very useful report. Next, inventory evaluation. In inventory evaluation, this report we can evaluate our inventory, our stock from here, and it's give us the completely the valuation of our inventory or product. For example, here we I open the test product, so it's give us whole report like the quantity, total value, and under which company. If I make here inventory at date, for example, confirm, until this date we make a evaluation of our inventory. If I made, again I go back to inventory evaluation. Here if I create until 10th of December, we didn't have anything for valuation our stock or inventory in 10th of December. So we can make valuation of our inventory or product by using this inventory valuation or stock valuation report. Next we have here stock movements report, which give us the report of our inventory or product moves, means which we have available or not available. All status is here, and as we can see the date, schedule, the reference, product name, from to in the locations, from location to location, and demand and company here, and at the end we have a status. So this report, stock move report, is let's open this, and we can generate a report by day. 11th of December, we can generate report from here, a row wise, and from here as a column wise. So it's a stock move reports. If it give you the movements of your product or your stock, or you can set your inventory. Next, at the end we have a product move, same like we have a stock moves, and here we have a product moves. So in product move we have from and to location, and the quantity which already is done, and product name. Here we have a reference of the name of the product. From here we can make our custom report. Let's say in row wise I will choose product, column wise I will choose let's say we will choose okay, by day. It's giving us a product move, every product day wise. We have only 11 and 12 of December. If we have more days it will appear here. So if I make here work order, we didn't have. By stock move, let's say. Now it's giving us a by stock move. Now we have make this report row wise by product and column wise by stock move. So from here all the filters is available. Any filter you can apply and make the report, and after save this report in your favorites. Next time when you will come the report, you can set from here, save in current search, or add in my dashboard. You can make your report, custom report, as a favorite. So now we finish inventory. Next video tutorial will discuss about manufacturing.